After visiting the tomb, we're going to see the Qinglong Temple right next to the tomb. It's gonna be a fascinating temple. Qinglong Si, notable for its mural collections. Sakyamuni Buddha sitting in the middle, and Manjushri and Samantabhadra on both sides, and two disciples under beside the throne. I heard in 1990s some thief cut these murals into pieces. You see that? You can see those cut. He tried to sell these murals outside of China, so fortunately people stopped that and put it back on the wall. Buddha sitting on such a beautiful throne. These are Taoist deities. The wall painting in this hall is older than the murals in the Palace of Eternal Joys, 42 years earlier than that. So it was said this was painted by the master teacher of Zhuhagu, who painted Palace of Eternal Joy 42 years later. The guy is giving this queen shaving her hair with a knife, and the shaved hair in the plate on the table. It was said she was the Sakyamuni's auntie, first female Buddhist followers. Bumped into a wedding ceremony for the local people. Probably the whole village is here for this wedding. Everybody is sitting and chatting, and I'm sure they're ready for this big feast. It's a wok cooking for 200 people. A local chef, two chefs are cooking, busy with the cooking, and to feed all these people. 这个是白萝卜吗？radish. Just to make the plate look better. She's in charge of putting everything on the plate and to serve. Everybody has his or her job to do. Deep fried green beans. Lots of red. A lot of red colors. Sitting next to the bride and groom. Everyone is happy. Everyone is smiling. I like this feeling. It is the entire village is here today. The dowries from the bride's family to the couple. There are a lot of quilts, comforters. That is a must for a wedding gift, dowries. Handmade shoes, insoles. A dragon patterned gate used by a rich family in this village in Jin Dynasty.